Hey guys, K840 here, and today I got this Logitech K840 mechanical keyboard. This is brand new in the box, so today I'm just going to be doing an unboxing. I would record this outside, but it's getting kind of late, as you guys can see. So it's not really going to be much of a difference, so I'll just record in my bedroom. So I guess I'll just break the seals with this knife, with the butter knife, because does this even have seals? Oh yeah, it has seals on the top. So I guess I'll try and do that for you guys on camera, if I can. There you go. Sorry if I'm kind of quiet while doing this. This is kind of hard to do, with one hand and with a butter knife because I don't have any boxing knives. So let me put that to the side. And I also didn't want to take a really sharp knife because I don't know. So there's the unboxing experience. It's not the best, but I don't really care. All I care is about the keyboard. So now I just need to figure out how to take the keyboard part out. And I need to actually hold the box with one hand or else it's going to try and fall back down. So it looks like there's the keyboard. I think I can just take it out. And there's the USB. It's not wireless. I didn't want a wireless connection anyways. I like wired because it means slightly faster, connection speed. Okay, I thought I broke through there, but I didn't. Also, this keyboard is made out of aluminum, so that's another good thing. Now I just need to break this seal if I can. Is there a way to actually just remove it? Oh, there is, okay. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out how to do this on camera. Let me just pause this. Okay, there's just a little thing that I had to break. So, yeah. I'll just take it off at the top here, which is the way you're actually supposed to take it off. Little did I know. And, there's one right here, too. Sorry if the camera is misaligned. It's hard to do this with one hand. Now, if I just let it fall out, it should just come right out. There you go. So, as you can see, this is a Windows keyboard. It has the Windows key. It could obviously be used on a Mac or something. It doesn't matter. Here's the instruction manual that no one reads, so I'll just put that to the side. Has a nice sound. Has a lot of travel. It's actually kind of slim. It doesn't have an armrest or an arm palm, so, you'll need to buy something like that if you actually, want to use this for, long-term gaming or something. But the design is quite minimalistic, which I really like, and that's also why I got the keyboard. It's made out of aluminum, and the keys, I think they're plastic. These do not seem like aluminum. But either way, that doesn't matter. And the color for the keys, it's matte black, and it's sort of a silverish. Let me put this right like that. But yeah, so it seems pretty good. It has all of your F keys, F1 all the way to F12. Has the number pad for those of you guys who like that. I personally would have just liked it, only with this side of the keyboard and everything else taken off, because I don't really use anything else. I don't even use the arrow key, so I wouldn't need those either. But yeah, so I guess I'll plug it into my laptop and see how well it is. Okay, I've just plugged the keyboard into my laptop, and I guess I'll just search something up on YouTube. I'll just search up my YouTube channel because I don't really know what else to search up. As you can see, it searched up fine. Everything popped up. New profile picture, by the way. Yeah, so it seems to work fine. The keyboard, you just do anything with it. It has a nice sound. It has if you can hear the after sound after you click the button, it sounds kind of weird, but I don't really care as long as it works. This is not going to be for my laptop. I actually just got a desktop, which is over there. Sorry for the mess. I'm taking apart a phone. But yeah, I'm going to be plugging it into my monitor, and I'm actually going to be using that instead of my laptop. So yeah, I also got speakers, which I'll probably unbox after this. But yeah, this keyboard seems to be of good quality. I finally have F keys instead of having to shift click because of my laptop combination. So that's going to suck. But yeah, every key seems to work. Windows key works fine. Yeah, it seems like a really good quality keyboard. I'd definitely recommend this to people who are looking for a cheap keyboard. This is definitely something I'll probably be using for years, because I don't really care about RGB or anything. So yeah, that was the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and semi-review. I don't know, maybe I'll make an entire review if I use this, when I get my desktop up and running. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.